First I have pasted my masking tape on the borders, and I have taken light blue and white color and painted the sky like this, and I have made the clouds. I have blended it and make the clouds like this. And after that I have taken my blue color and started making the hills, and I have just taking the dark color of that blue color and more dark to make the hills and create a foggy effect like this. I am making the hills, the darkest color hill. And so now I am starting making the lake. First I am showing some snowy texture on the mountains or the hills. And now I'm starting doing the lake. I'm doing a blending of the dark blue color, light blue color and white. So first I'm done white, then light blue, and then my Persian blue color or the dark blue color. Like this. I kept following the steps as shown in the instruction video, and like this I have made the grass using my green color. And now I have started making the flowers. First I have made a yellow flower. I have blended it inside to make it look a little realistic, and I have made its stem, and that's like I have just tried to make other flowers also, the red color flowers and more different color flowers like lemon yellow flowers, red flowers, white flowers. Like this I'm making the lemon yellow flowers and I'm shading inside them. And yeah, now I'm making the stem using the sap green color, and I'm making the red flowers at last. I'm giving some detailed touching like this, and now I'm doing some more detailed touch, and now I'm making a beautiful bee and a boat in which people are sitting and the grass detail work, and I've removed the masking tape, and now I am writing my name using my white pencil like this. And so yeah, my drawing is ready. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.